My name is Benjamin Bradbury. I'm a health economist at Petauri Evidence, and this is a short presentation on the ISPOR poster that I'm co-authoring with editor Rychek and Hannah Gillies. It's on the landscape of antibiotic development and regulation in the United States and Europe. Antibiotic resistance is one of the most urgent global health threats of our time. Misuse and overuse of antibiotics have accelerated this crisis, leading to longer illnesses, higher healthcare costs, and increased mortality. Despite the clear need for new antibiotics, innovation has stalled due to scientific, financial, and regulatory challenges. Figure 1 shows this effect. It's a rolling 5-year average of the number of antibiotic discoveries up to 2015. It shows a gradual increasing trend, followed by a steep drop-off around 1990. Our research aims to firstly assess and compare antibiotic approval trends by the FDA and the EMA over the past decade. Data from the FDA was sourced from Garcia Castro et al. 2023 and targeted searches of the FDA novel drug approvals. And for the EMA, from an Excel file available on their website, filtered by the term pharmacotherapeutic group, human. After this, we would summarize the approved antibiotics, their clinical indications and targeted pathogens, and then cross-reference these pathogens with the WHO's critical priority group. And finally, analyze the current industry incentives designed to stimulate antibiotic development. In total, 29 antibiotics were approved over the past decade, with the FDA approving all 29 and the EMA just 20. Of these, however, only 3 approvals represented new antibiotic classes with unique mechanisms of action, and just 4 were novel agents within existing classes. The other 75% were reformulations or combinations of existing drugs. Most approvals occurred earlier in the US, reflecting manufacturer priorities. Obviously, as they're famous for, many antibiotics received approval across multiple indications, with 5 approvals targeting 3 distinct indications. Of the antibiotics approved, 18 of the 29 targeted at least one pathogen from the WHO's critical priority group, showing some alignment with global health priorities. This research identified several industry incentives that are key for supporting antimicrobial development, shown in Table 1. Some are shorter-term investments to fund development immediately, like the AMR Action Fund in the US, and others are longer-term, like the UK subscription model, which pays a fixed annual fee for the development of a new antibiotic regardless of usage, in order to de-link income from use and encourage antibiotic stewardship. The PASTEUR Act proposed in 2020 would have been an American equivalent model, but it faced heavy criticism in Congress and was never passed into law. These incentives show promise, but with forecasts from the GRAM project suggesting that antimicrobial resistance could cause 39 million deaths in the next 25 years, meaningful progress will require sustained investment and robust international collaboration.